This is what let's say something happens, you lose your phone, Authy doesn't copy over your two-factor authentication accounts and codes, which is unlikely if you set it up correctly. So what this allows you to do is to enter back into your Instagram account if you don't have your two-factor authentication codes available. You could screenshot this by just tapping on screenshot, hit done, and now your Instagram account is secure with two-factor authentication. No one could hack into your account. No one could break in because they don't have your two-factor authentication code, which regenerates every 20 seconds. So again, that's been a quick tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, as I will be giving you more quick tutorials, more shorts, and how to protect yourself. All right, bye.